you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Globin to show you guys. Do you want to know what is inside this box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my Globin box just arrived. They actually got a hold of me and asked if I'd be willing to show one of their boxes, show one of their boxes on my channel to you guys. And I have brought Globin on my channel before. I don't remember if I did a 3 or a 6 month subscription, but I was kind of getting too many products. So I canceled just to kind of slow down a little bit on the different boxes that I was receiving. And then they got a hold of me and asked if I would show you guys. So it's been a while since I've had it on my channel. So I thought that would be really neat to show you guys another variation of Globin and what they have to offer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. We're gonna see what theme is in here. Now, if you guys want to follow the link down below and check out Globin, they did give me a code. You can use SheCrafty for 50% off your first box if you get a 3-month subscription or more. So every 3, 6, 12-month subscription, if you use SheCrafty, you'll get 50% off your first box, which is amazing. Now, I do still have information from when I was getting it before, and the first month subscription, the first month is $40 with free shipping, and then every other box afterwards does have shipping included. If you did 3 months, it brings it to $38 a box. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $35 a box. And if you do 12 months, it brings it to $33 a box. Our mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. It's amazing what they do and how they go from different countries and have them basically almost everything's like made by hand. And I really enjoy the items that come in these boxes. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what is in this theme. I really wanted to get a different one because of a vase that I already have. I kind of wanted another one, but I don't want to show you guys the same thing I've already showed you guys. So I picked a different themed box. Now with Globin, they have their normal monthly box that they do ship, but if you log in and you're not too fond of that particular set, you can always change it to any other set. So basically you get to choose the box set that you get, which I really do appreciate that because you're getting what you want. So now when you open it up, I love the color on the inside of the box, of course. There is a card right on top, and then everything should be down inside, yes, of this box. So that's what it looks like when you open the box. And then inside of here is, this is the theme that I chose, which is wired box, and there's all the items that are going to be inside. Little sneak peek. And then they do go over everything inside of this book. It's very detailed. You can learn about the person who made that specific item, where that specific item came from, all kinds of stuff like inside this book is amazing to read up and learn new things. So let's go ahead and dive on in and let's see what we have. Now this right here, let me find it. This, what is this? These beans? These are coffee beans. So, these are coffee beans. This is a 4 ounce. It says Dean's Beans. And there's that guy right on the front, right there. He looks very happy. This is handmade in East Timor, T-I-M-O-R, fair trade. I guess the same as what it says right there. And it said, ooh, I got a nice little hint of coffee. I love coffee, you guys. So this is a unique velvet roast with chocolate tones. This bold coffee is a single origin bean from Astibi, I'm not sure, village in East Timor. And again, this is a 4 ounce container. And I'm actually really excited to have this coffee. I can't wait. I love coffee. Any kind of coffee, give me some out. Matter of fact, I want to go make some coffee when I'm done filming. Even though it's 8 o'clock at night, it doesn't matter what time. I'll drink coffee anytime. Anytime, day or night, give it to me. All right, so let me remove this. First layer is removed. Okay, so now that all of that is removed, this must be, how pretty. Now, you don't have to use this thing. This is meant for creamer because, again, this is the wired box. Wired because, you know, coffee themed. And this, I believe, is a sugar bowl. So you can use this if you want to, like, put this in your bathroom and put Q-tips in it, in your vanity. You can put anything in this, and that's what I like about their items, because they don't have to be for one specific use. You can use them for anything your little heart desires. So this is so cute. I like the purple detail. And then there's the top. And then again, on the inside, it's just an open bowl. And this is actually handmade in Morocco, fair trade. So again, they always go with different companies that make these by hand from different countries. So we're actually helping out people from other countries, and you get to find their unique handmade items that you'll never find anywhere else. So I do really like this box. Now, here is this little basket, and this one has like a purple hue to it. I do have a blue one. So now I have a purple one, and you can use these baskets for anything. Again, you can even use them to cover a plant box or a plant container if you want. Or you can just use them for whichever you would like. So here's this little guy for this one. Let me move that out of the way. And then this is actually handmade in Mexico, and there's a little stag. That's my sticker tag. There's my stag that says it. I made up my own little blended word. It's blended. Okay, you guys. Here is the little, don't fall. Here is the little spoon, and it's like a wooden spoon, but there's like, I'm not sure what is on the end of that, but that is really neat. So again, here's just this big basket you can use for anything, or you can use it for like a plant thing or whichever. And this little guy here is the spoon, and this is handmade in Kenya, wood and bone. Okay, so that I was thinking that too. I'm like, I wonder if this is bone on the other end. I wonder whose bone, but that is very unique. So you have the bone on the handle, and then this part is the wooden spoon. Very, very unique. And again, this is handmade in Kenya. So then the next item that is in here is going to be the striped milk pitcher. So let me remove this. This is super cute. So this is the striped milk pitcher. This is also handmade in Morocco. And it even shows this gentleman right here. So he must be like one of the makers that hand makes these. They came from the same place. This isn't a complete set. But again, you don't have to use them for milk or creamer, milk and sugar. You can even set this in your vanity and use it for makeup brushes, and then have your Q-tips or your cotton balls or whichever in here. But I think that is super, super cute. And that's a good size. Like, normally they're a lot smaller if it was just like a little milk or creamer pitcher, but that's an actual good size. Or you can even put flowers in this. I mean, your possibilities are endless with the stuff that you get, but it's all handmade and very, very unique. They have amazing glasses, like all kinds of glasses, champagne glasses, margarita glasses, just flutes, like any type of those. I've had a few. They just have amazing products. So again, if you guys want to check them out, I will link them down below. And if you get a 3-month or higher subscription, you can use SheCrafty to get 50% off your first month's box, you guys, which is amazing. Now, again, going over this particular one, the wired box. So we have the basket, we have the spoon that's half wood and half bone. We have the vanilla. Is there even vanilla in here? Probably not. Here is coffee beans. And then these are just super, super cute. I love these. I'm so glad I chose this one to show you guys a different box. really pleased with these items. Again, thank you so much, Globin, for sending me your amazing box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. And again, you guys, I will link them down below. You can definitely check them out. But comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this themed box? Again, it's wired because of the coffee theme. Comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. And yeah, again, I did cancel this one before because I was just getting too many baskets and products for my kitchen. I had no room for them, but I really did enjoy having this. So I'm really glad they got a hold of me and wanted me to show you guys another box on my channel. So that's amazing. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.